Howdy everyone and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make cilantro lime shrimp. So stay tuned. This is going to be good. Okay, so as you heard in the intro and you saw the pic, this is going to be good. Super simple, like a lot of what I make. And so follow along. I think this just may end up being one of your favorite shrimp dishes. So what do we got going into this? Some simple ingredients. I've got about a pound of shrimp here. These are a jumbo. I've got half of an onion that I'm going to mince up. I got one lime. I'm going to use the juice of one lime, and I'm going to also add the zest. I have one jalapeno pepper that I'm going to go ahead and mince up, and cilantro. A little butter, a little sherry, some cream to finish it off. Hey, we're going to be eating like kings, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'm going to do is prep my items here. So first of all, let me tell you about the shrimp. I've already rinsed those and I've dried them off with the paper towels. They're nice and dry. So I'm just cutting the lime in half right now. I'm going to go in and cut up the onion. I'm going to kind of mince that up. Already onto the jalapeno. I'm just going to mince this up. I'm going to cut into some nice thin strips here. Turn it and make another cut. The jalapenos for a little bit of heat and some flavor. Okay, now for a little rough chop on the cilantro. One of the main ingredients. One of the stars of the show. Alrighty, prep is done. Let me go ahead and move this out of the way, clean up my hands a little bit, and we'll get to cooking here. So we got the butter in the pan here. Just going to melt this down a little bit. Then we'll go ahead and add our onion and our jalapeno just before it starts to brown over here. Go ahead and get that to the ready. Right about now. And we'll let that cook for about 2 minutes, 2-3 minutes. You don't want to burn this. And as soon as this starts to brown up a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and start throwing the shrimp in here. Okay, we're getting some nice caramelization on here. I've probably got about another 10 seconds to go, and then we're going to start adding the shrimp. Okay, but before we add the shrimp, we need to put the sherry in here. That is about 1/4 cup. I'm going to let that reduce down a little bit. I get things out of sync every once in a while. Get too far ahead of myself. This is smelling fantastic. Here, take a whiff. You smell that? Okay, let's get our shrimp in here. We'll cook these about 1.5 minutes on each side. As you can see, this is going very quickly. Very simple dish to make. Restaurant quality. You can cook restaurant quality food at home. You don't have to be a chef. Alright. About 1 minute and 10 seconds on each side here. And then we're just going to add some cream. Some cilantro. We got the lime to go yet. Hey. Let me get the lime juice in here. Always forgetting something. Okay. There's one. Here's the other half. Now we'll get some zest in there. All right, let's get these shrimp turned over. If my hands will work, hit it with a little bit of cracked pepper and just a smidgen of salt. Ooh, we get on tea, as Justin would say. About another 10 seconds and we're adding cream. Okay, you don't want to overcook these. In goes the cream. And that's about half a cup. I'm just going to shake this around a little bit. Give it a little stir. Going with our cilantro. Bring this up to a quick simmer. Finish the shrimp off, and we will be there. All right, let me give this sauce a little taste. Holy smokes. Knock my socks off. That's money right there. All right. Give these shrimp one more turn. Then we're going to go ahead and cut the heat off because we are just about done. Heat's off. I don't know. What? 5 minutes? 6 minutes? We're almost there. So what I'm going to do is get some of this mess out of the way. I got some rice that I cooked off earlier. We'll get this plated up. We'll go in here for a taste. And we'll bring this on home. So we'll be right back. Okay, so I got my rice in the bowl over here. Let's go in now with our shrimp. Plate this up a bit. Give it a little bit of cilantro here. Slice of lime. There you go. Cilantro lime shrimp. Hey, so before we go in here and taste this, let me do my episode shout out. Hey, this episode is dedicated to all you Navy cooks out there, current and former, that were ever stationed at Camp David. We got Navy cooks at Camp David too. So hey, this episode is dedicated to you. So, let's give this a try. It looks good. It smells good. Let me go in for one of these shrimps. I'm just going to take a bite off because it's pretty big. Wow. This is off the charts. You got to be making this. Like I always say, you saw how easy it is to make. Well, this is up there with a very easy, big reward. So, you gotta try it. This is outstanding. The lime, the cilantro, the lime juice. It's not overpowering. That touch of sherry, it all blends together and just creates this awesome dish. So hey, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, most importantly share. Right over here, yeah, not over here this time, over here, bing. Go ahead, hit my logo. Make it so much easier to subscribe. So until next time, thanks, and we'll see you.